Hi there, Marjie Kemper here. I want to take a minute and let you know that the doors close on Sunday for all about artist trading cards and artist trading coins. So if you're thinking about joining us, now is the time. I'm putting a link right below this video that takes you to the page that explains it all. But let me tell you, it is going to be epic. There are 55 videos in this class, highly edited, fast-forwarded when appropriate, really tight videos. They're all from 1 to 10 minutes and they're on a variety of mixed media art techniques. In addition to all those videos, you have access to me and all of your peers for the month of September in a private Facebook community. In addition to that, you have a 22-page student handbook with all kinds of great info. So I hope you will come over and take a look at all about ATCs at the link below and join me by Sunday, because this class won't be back until next year, and I promise you it won't be available at this price again.